Grace LaToya Hamilton, born August 6, 1982, one known professionally as Spice, is a Jamaican dancehall recording artist, singer, and songwriter. Her career began when she made her debut performance at the annual music festival Sting in 2000, and subsequently became the protégé of fellow DJ Baby Cham. Spice initially gained major recognition after releasing her controversial single Romping Shop with Vybz Kartel in 2009. She continued to gain more recognition after releasing her single So Me Like It in 2014, featured on her debut EP of the same name. Grace LaToya Hamilton was born at the Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine, Jamaica, and raised in Portmore. Her father died when she was 9 years old. She had spent part of her childhood living with her grandparents in Finsbury Park, London, and attending school there. As a child, she used to attend her church regularly and lead the choir. While a student in St. Catherine High School, she frequently participated the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, JCDC, festival in the music category and earned several medals throughout the years. Although she wanted to become a chartered accountant, she decided to pursue a music career. Following that, she enrolled at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts to study music and drama. She then began experimenting with dancehall music and soon after generated interest in her community with her DJing ability at local stage shows. 2007, career beginnings. Spice made her debut when she was given the opportunity to perform at the annual Dancehall Festival Sting in 2000. It was her first major appearance on a stage show and she earned several encores from the crowd. At the time, she was managed by Mr. Lax's former manager Ulton Clark for 2 years. During this early stage of her career, Spice went on to gain a reputation for her performing abilities, despite not having any hit record. While on tour in England in 2002, Spice earned the attention of Baby Cham, who later introduced her to producer Dave Kelly. From there, she released a string of singles for Kelly's record label Madhouse Records, including her first single for Madhouse Complain, Me Gone, then followed by her singles on the Bad Gal Rhythm, Right There featuring Toy and Hype. At that time, she was featured on Jimmy Cliff's I Want I Do I Get from his album Black Magic, 2004, and on Beanie Man's Hot from his album Concept of Life, 2006. For her first hit single, Spice versioned the popular 85 rhythm to create Fight Over Man, which became popular in the dancehall. 2008, 2015, Breakthrough and So Me Like It. In late 2008, Spice collaborated with fellow dancehall artist Vybz Kartel on the single Romping Shop, which samples Miss Independent by Neo 6. The song quickly achieved international recognition, debuting on the Billboard Hot R&B/Hip Hop Songs Chart 7 and receiving immense rotation on mainstream urban stations, including Hot 97 and Power 105.1. Shortly after its release, the song was banned by the Jamaica Broadcasting Corporation due to its explicit lyrical content. Romping Shop was ranked at number 9 on both Pitchfork's list of the 50 best dancehall songs of all time 9 and Billboard's 12 best dancehall and reggaeton choruses of the 21st century. 10 In 2009, Spice received the Excellence in Music and Entertainment (EAM) Award for Female DJ of the Year. At the Youth View Awards in Jamaica, she won 3 awards: Best Female Performer, Favorite Local Female Artiste and Young, Hot and Hype Female. 11 In July 2009, she signed to VP Records for a multi-album deal. 12 She again received the Female DJ of the Year award at the 2010 EAM Awards. 13 Her single Slim vs. Fluffy featuring dancehall artist Pam Putty peaked at number 1 on the Canadian dancehall/reggae singles charts. 14 That year she also released her single Jim Screechy. In 2011, Spice was featured on Gappy Ranks' Whatever We Like, released as a bonus track on his album Thanks and Praise. She later released a remix for her song Fun featuring rapper Missy Elliott 15-16-17 and collaborated with Maya on the single Take Him Out from Maya's 6th album KISS, Keep It Sexy and Simple. 18-19-20 Spice also performed the song with Maya at Reggae Sumfest that year. In October 2013, Spice released her single So Me Like It, which garnered worldwide recognition. The song was included in the Raga 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 2014 compilation album 21 alongside her singles Go Go and All the Way with Elephant Man. A remix of So Me Like It featuring rapper Busta Rhymes was later released on his mixtape Catastrophic 222. Spice starred as Candy in her first theatrical feature film Destiny, which was released on April 2, 2014. 23, 24, 25. She also recorded the song No Pushover for the film's soundtrack. Her debut extended play So Me Like It, named after the single of the same name, was released through VP Records on November 28, 2014. 26. It debuted at number 14 on the Billboard Top Reggae Albums chart. 27. The EP features 5 songs, including her hits So Me Like It and Conjugal Visit featuring Vybz Kartel. 28. 29. The music video for Conjugal Visit garnered over 2 million views on WorldStar Hip Hop within one day. The same month, she was featured along with soca artist Bunji Garlin on rapper ASAP Ferg's song Jolly from his mixtape Ferg Forever 30. In May 2015, Spice released her single Needle Eye, which serves as a tribute to Shabba Ranks's 1987 single of the same name. 31. She then received the award for Best Female Dancehall Artist at the 34th Annual International Reggae and World Music Awards, IRAMA. 2016, present, upcoming debut studio album edit. In May 2016, Spice was featured alongside Jeremiah on Kid Ink's single Nasty. 32. The next month, she released her single Indicator, based on a dance move of the same name. For 2016's Red Bull Culture Clash, Spice joined forces with Mixpac and won the clash over Wiz Khalifa and Taylor Gang and others. At the MOBO Awards, Spice was the only female nominated for Best Reggae Act and the first female dancehall artist ever nominated in this category. She also received her second consecutive award for Best Female Dancehall Artist at the 35th Annual International Reggae and World Music Awards, IRAMA. Spice is working on her debut album, currently titled Spice It Up 33, and has released the first single from the album sheet. In June 2017, she appeared on a remix of Jax Jones's You Don't Know Me. The following month, Vogue described her as the fashion-forward queen of dancehall, stating that her wardrobe is redefining dancehall style. 34. In August 2017, she was featured alongside Sean Kingston and Lady Lesure on Charlie Sloth's I Can Do from his album The Plug. Business edit. In 2009, Spice opened her clothing boutique Spicy Couture in Kingston. 35. She later opened a branch in Maypen, Clarendon and in other locations in Jamaica. The brand offers shipping to the US, UK and Canada through its website. She also opened a beauty salon called Spicy Salon in Kingston. In June 2010, Spice opened a sports bar and lounge called 8 Ball, located in her hometown Portmore. In 2015, Spice launched a clothing line as part of the promotion of her single Needle Eye. The line features t-shirts and underwear printed with the title of the single. Grace Latoya Hamilton, born August 6, 1982, one known professionally as Spice, is a Jamaican dancehall recording artist, singer, and songwriter. Her career began when she made her debut performance at the annual music festival Sting in 2000, and subsequently became the protégé of fellow DJ Baby Chem. Spice initially gained major recognition after releasing her controversial single Romping Shop with Vybz Kartel in 2009. She continued to gain more recognition after releasing her single So Me Like It in 2014, featured on her debut EP of the same name. Grace Latoya Hamilton was born at the Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine, Jamaica, and raised in Portmore. Her father died when she was 9 years old. She had spent part of her childhood living with her grandparents in Finsbury Park, London, and attending school there. As a child, she used to attend her church regularly and lead the choir. While a student in St. Catherine High School, she frequently participated in the Jamaica cultural.
Alright, galang. Say something there, I got your video too. Beam, under the sheet. Yeah, I got no picture with Come nurse, you come quick.
Yes, tá, fica aí, tio.